Hello everyone. We will start a new topic which is functions in Python. Functions in Python are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. It allows you to break down your program into smaller, manageable pieces, making your code more modular, easier to read, and easier to maintain. Think of a function in Python like a recipe book in a cookbook. Just a recipe tells you how to cook a particular dish. A function tells Python how to perform a specific task. A function's purpose is like a mini program inside your main program. It is designed to do one job like adding two numbers, printing a message, or sorting a list. You use a function when you want to perform a task multiple times without having to rewrite the same code over and over. The syntax for function is def function underscore name in bracket parameters then colon hash code block to execute, and then we need to put return with value. Now I will tell you def is the keyword used to define a function, and this function underscore name is the name of the function. Parameters, which is optional, are input values that the function can accept. The code block inside defines what the function does. The return statement is optional, used to return a value from the function. We will see an example of function. In this example, we would like to greet Harry, so we can write this code as def greet in bracket name then colon. In the second line, then return hello plus name with exclamation. In the second line, return with this value we have mentioned, which is hello, comma, then plus name and plus exclamation. So after this, we give print with greet Harry. Print in bracket greet then Harry. Greet is the name of function. Name is the input, which is like the person you want to greet. Inside the function, it creates a greeting message using the provided name, and then it returns this message. Finally, when we run print greet Harry, it prints hello Harry. Now we will see the second example of function to add two numbers. Def add underscore numbers num1 comma num2 then colon. Result is equal to num1 plus num2 and return result. Hash using the function, and then sum underscore result is equal to add underscore numbers 3 comma 5. Print sum underscore result. If we run this program, it will display the output 8. In this program, the function name is add underscore numbers, two numbers num1 and num2 as inputs, and inside the function it adds the two numbers together and store the result in a variable called result. Then it returns this result. When we call the function with add underscore numbers 3 comma 5, it adds 3 and 5 together, giving us 8 as the result. We store this result in sum underscore result and print it. Now we will see one more example of function for calculating rectangle area. So the program is like this: def calculate underscore rectangle area, and then in the bracket length comma width, then colon. The next line is area is equal to length into width, and then return area. Using the function print in bracket calculate rectangle area 5 comma 3. It will display this result 15 as a output. I hope you understood how to use the functions. Functions make your code organized, reusable, and easier to understand.